There is an inbuilt dash cam, which you won't even see there is one. It's automatic opening sliding window. Perfect for summer. There is sunwise holder. There is a tissue box holder. There is the very artistic opening panel, the touchpad, all the controls on the steering, memory adjusted seats. If you press 1, the preset model will be, including the mirror, will be moved. Even the steering, the handle size is automatically moved based upon the setting. There is seat heating on both sides. There is ventilation, mirror adjustments, full set of menus. So automatic boot opening, and it's a very large boot. You can see the size of it. As you can see, it's a very large one, very spacious. At least 3 to 4 full size suitcase should go in. As you can see, it's a very neat and clean, very well maintained. There is child seat supports.